If you are checking kung anong blush ang bibilhin mo, let me tell you why Glam Hour needs to be one of your top choices. I have 4 shades of their blushes. Shade I have for you now is the Kalo. This is their coral pink shade. Sobrang ganda nito lalo na if you're a neutral girly. Mochi type of blush to. Sobrang controlled mo yung pigment nito. Nasa gold component siya, may sarili din siyang mirror. Half of my face is skin tint and half of it is foundation. Powder brush yung usual na ginagamit ko with this Glam Hour blush. Usually kasi din, 'di ba, iba yung nagiging pigment niya sa face mo if skin tint or foundation yung gamit as base. Dito sa side ng foundation, manipis yung pigment niya. But very easy to build up. As in, controllable mo siya. Sobrang ganda ng color. Sobrang ganda ng color and very natural flush lang yung binigay ng coral pink ni Kalo sa atin. Dito naman sa side ng skin tint, medyo mas mapigment siya compared doon sa side ng foundation but very natural flush pa din yung binibigay nitong Glam Hour sa atin. Sobrang ganda ng coral pink ni Kalo. So again, this is in the shade Kalo ni Glam Hour blush. A coral pink shade. Very natural lang siya. I have 4 shades. First shade is Picasso, Kalo. Yung pangalawang shade is Kalo. Other 2 shades are Monet and Egon. Pero for now, this is the shade Kalo. The perfect coral pink blush shade that you can get from Glam Hour. So,